Hey, what's up, guys? So we're just gonna do a little test on this new Griots Garage ceramic metal polish, which you can hardly see, but that's what the video's on. It just came out this year, so I just got done doing the wheels. Just got done cleaning those. So if you guys want to know how to do mesh wheels, like a good way to clean your mesh wheels, then check the video out before this. But we use some Griots Garage products for that as well. But yeah. We're going to try out this ceramic metal polish on these Epsilons, which you can see in the B cam. The lips were done last year because I rebuilt them probably about a year and a half now, but they're getting kind of dull, and I just wanted to try out this new ceramic metal polish. So hopefully she comes out pretty well. Not sure how the focus is going to be. There we go. But yeah. So first up, we got a drill, obviously, to use this mother's power cone 360, which I just got yesterday. So we're going to try that out. But like I said, we're just going to give these lips a little polish. Obviously, you can use this tool and this polish for other things like bumpers, like if you have an older Euro car or an older American car. But like I said, I'm just going to be using it for these wheels. That, and I'm also going to do my exhaust tips as well. But the reason I went with this ceramic polish over other just like normal mother's polish is because these wheels are ceramic coated, and I didn't know how that process was going to be with polishing the lips. I didn't know if that got rid of the ceramic coating or whatever. So in order to kind of combat that, I decided to try out the ceramic metal polish. But it's supposed to restore, brighten, and protect. Obviously the wheels are ceramic coated, so I just wanted to keep that ceramic coating for ease of use for cleaning, and just to make it look as good as it can, since these are older wheels from 1985. But we're just going to do the lips today, like you see in the B cam. But we're going to do the lips, and then I'll take you outside and see what they look like tomorrow in the sun. But let's go ahead and get the drill set up and test her out real quick. Not going to be a super long video. This drill is definitely overkill, but that's all I got on hand, so that's what we're working with. Alright, the last thing is just a microfiber rag to clean off the excess. So we'll go ahead and shake this up. Like I said, these wheels, these lips aren't bad, but I just want to go ahead and give them a new polish before I put them back on the car. So go ahead and open her up and put her on here. Get a little movement going here. Kind of dampen the pad here. That should all be good. I shouldn't need anything else past that. But let's go ahead and try her out. Get some polish worked in here. Alright. So as you all know, polishing is a very dirty process. So as you can see, she's all black. That's what you want. You want that oxidization off. Get a microfiber, go ahead and clean her up. Clean up this excess, then we'll rotate the wheel. And it looks pretty good just from the first pass. Like I said, these lips weren't really too faded or anything, but they definitely did have some oxidization on there just from the year of having them. Not sure if you could see, but definitely making a little difference compared to over here and up here, even though we got splatters. But let's rotate the wheel again. All right. Let's go ahead and wipe her down again. rag, wipe her down again. So we'll bring you in here for a little look. You can kind of see where I stopped, but if you see up here, take you off the tripod. If you see right here where I polished and I stopped, get some of that off there. You can see where I stopped there and hopefully see the difference between this part up here and the polished part. So we'll go ahead and finish these wheels, and then I'll take you out in the sun tomorrow and see what they look like all good in the sun. And then we'll probably do a little update probably in like a month on how it does, you know, like longevity wise. So let's go ahead and finish this wheel up real quick and do the other three. So yeah, just looking, she definitely gave her a nice little shine. But like I said, we'll get all three of these wheels, all these three other wheels done, and then take you outside tomorrow when it's sunny out and see what they look like in the sun. Then like I said, I'll do like an update clip in like a month or whatever, see how it's holding up.
Alright guys, so sorry for this voiceover, but when I recorded this clip it was incredibly windy out, but we're just going to do a walk around of what the lips look like after I did the fresh polish on them. As you can see in the video, they look really shiny. Took out some imperfections as well. Just kind of breathed new life back into the wheels, even though like I said they've been redone for about a year and a half. They were getting a little bit dull on the lips, so using this polish is something I definitely wanted to try out because like I said, of the ceramic, I wanted to be able to, you know, keep the ceramic coating on the lips to keep down just the dust and brake dust, and you know, just make it easier to clean. As you can see, the rear wheels looking fresh as well. They look really good in the sun. Like I said, it took out some of the little imperfections. There weren't too many because I already did the whole process, but definitely a nice product to use. I definitely recommend trying it out over some other metal polishes. It does what it's supposed to. Obviously it has a ceramic infused, so that's going to help us out a lot with longevity. But like I said, I'll give you guys an update in like I don't know, a month or two, and see how it came, or see how it is, and see if it's still repelling water well. So anyways, thanks for watching the video guys.